Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to add a clickable link in YouTube Shorts. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your phone. After opening up the YouTube account, tap on the U icon from the bottom right corner. Now, from here, go into the Your Videos option. Then you will find your uploaded videos right here. So tap on the three dots from the video. It will show you the drop-down menu of your video. Now tap to edit the video. Then, you need to add a description to your video. Clear the description and paste the clickable YouTube Shorts link in here. After uploading the link, tap to verify it. The verification process is done with your valid ID and uses video verification and build channels. Once your verification is done, the clickable link is added to your YouTube short. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.